How is my property's mill rate determined? Imagine trying to figure out how much you owe in property taxes without knowing how the local government decides the rate. It might seem complicated at first, but it all comes down to a simple process. When your local government needs money to run schools, fix roads, support fire departments, and keep parks open, they start by setting a budget. This budget is the total amount of money they need for the upcoming year. Once they know their total budget, they decide what part of that will come from property taxes. They then look at all the real estate in their area, homes, businesses, factories, and find out the total taxable value of all these properties combined. This is called the total taxable property value. It's usually based on assessments done by government-appointed appraisers. These assessments might be the same as your property's market value or lower, depending on your state's rules. Some states assess at full market value, while others assess at a percentage, like 20% or 70%. Next, they divide the total amount of money they need from property taxes by the total taxable property value. This division gives them the mill rate. 1 mill equals $1 in property tax for every $1,000 of assessed property value. For example, if the government needs to collect $1 million and the total taxable value of all properties is $1 billion, they divide 1 million by 1 billion. The result is a mill rate of 1 mill per dollar of assessed value. Different parts of your local government might set their own mill rates. Your city might have one rate, your school district another, and your county a third. These rates are added together to get your overall mill rate. When your assessed property value is multiplied by this total mill rate and then divided by 1,000, you get your annual property tax bill. Your assessed value is determined by assessors who look at your property and decide how much it's worth for tax purposes. This value might be the same as the market value or lower, depending on the rules in your state. Once your local government sets the mill rate, they apply it to your assessed value to calculate your property taxes. You can find your specific mill rate on your tax bill, local government websites, or by calling your assessor's office. Knowing how your mill rate is determined helps you understand why your property taxes can change from year to year and why they vary from place to place.